email filter row, go to Filter Rules, Email Filter. Click Add New Record. Under Description, enter the description for the rule. For this example, we shall select only mail to and subject. For the rule, check mail to. Enter UPS, add a host and domain name. For this case is Entera64.SendQuick.Messenger. Check subject. Enter the subject. Under Match Mode, select Any. This will indicate any of the rules that matches will trigger the alert notification. Under Priority, you may select 1, which is the highest, or 9, which is the least priority. In this case, we shall leave it as 5. Click Save after done. You shall see a new rule has been created. To configure for the alert, click View. Click Add New Record. Under the alert template, we shall leave it as default. For the alert mode, select Once. The system will trigger alert once only and stop. If select Once and Report, the system will trigger alerts once only, then send report. For escalation, system will trigger alert according to escalation level setting. For escalation and report, system will trigger alert according to escalation level setting, then send report. For this example, we shall select Once. Under Alert Receiver, enter the mobile number to receive alert. For multiple mobile number, enter on a new line. Enter the email address to receive alert. For multiple email address, enter on a new line. Click Save after done.